Okay, there it goes.
Yeah, I did this last week, so it might not be as much, but it's still coming off a good bit here.
I think Junior likes that one more anyway.
Yeah. I've never seen an animal whose butt shed so much. Or his neck.
You said it's been about a week since you did this last time, right?
Yep. And they usually recommend using these kind of things once a week anyway, or twice a week, depending on the coat. Now, you like this. There we go. You can see it better here. And I can say I tried the Furminator earlier. It didn't get nothing out of this guy. Kind of surprising.
You said the other one worked better on the cats anyway, didn't you?
Yeah, it did. That was what was surprising. This one, it does okay on the cat, but the Furminator got so much more. I should have saved that giant hairball. Middle of winter and he's still shedding like crazy.
The first time we do this for the summer,
Yep.
we need to record it again, let his hair get nice and thick.
Nice and sheddy. Notice I didn't say the other S word.
Huh?
Notice I didn't say the other S word. It sounds mighty close. The other S word.
I didn't catch it.
Sheddy.
Oh,
Get
yeah.
it?
We'll edit that part out of the video.
Uh-huh. You like this part, I think, doggy. I'm not going to use it rough right here. Just a little bit of pressure.
Oh, goodness. He likes that.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, goodness.
Just a little bit of pressure and you're in love. Alright, buddy. Let's turn you around.
Right.
Come here. I know, you don't like staying still.
Turn around, puppy dog. Oh, goodness.
Not as much coming out of this side. Let's see.
Almost done, puppy dog.
Yeah, I know you don't like to sit still. Someone's having car trouble.
Oh, that feels so good, don't it? Bring him back around.
funny. It seems to come out easier when he's sitting down. Does that feel good?